I found something that is so cool, sunset light on social media, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and any other social media. So I went to eBay, Amazon, Wish, and AliExpress to check out the price. They kind of like $25 to $30 or even something like go $40. They also have a different shade, some of the like a sunset light shade or colorful shade or different. It's so pretty. I also checked their handling time and shipping time. They kind of like a long term to wait. Some of them like 1 week or 2 weeks. But I can't wait. So why not make your own sunset light at your house or with very little budget? You know how much? $2. I spent $2 to make my sunset light. Do you believe it? I got this acrylic paint from Hobby Lobby. One is orange and the other one is red. And then the other one you need, which is light bulb. And you're going to paint the middle like a very red and the round is like orange. So let's go check out my DIY sunset light look like.
You got me in this PlayStation.
To make this emphasize, I realized that I bring my light bulb to the bathroom, like a darker area, I can get a better result. As you can see here. So now I'm going to show you how to make the sunset light with $2 budget. It's super easy. I already tested. Everything's amazing. So first of all, you need to grab the acrylic in the red part. You're going to go on the light bulb, and then you're going to go on the middle part. Okay? Supposedly you have a brush. Yes, that will have a brush. So I'm going to use my Then once you finish this one, you're going to apply the orange one. So here we go. Here you go. Let's test out. So this is my second sunset light. So this is my very beautiful sunset light tutorial video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.